Bendy gonna set you free. Can I get an amen? Amen. Henry doesn't know a thing. He's the old music maestro, and he wrote some catchy tunes, but now he's ushering the tunes to meet your doom. Bendy was a little devil thing who was brought to life on a silver screen. Used to make them chuckle, now it makes them scream. It's Bendy in the devil's swing. Sammy Lawrence, what are you gonna do to me? Oh no, Sammy Lawrence. Am I another one of your sheep? I can hear the music playing, a code from the past.